Hey everybody, it's Deb from DnDArtGallery. Today I have an 18 by 18 gallery wrapped canvas. It's quite a deep canvas. I think it's like 1.5 inches on the sides. And I've prepared it with a thin layer of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, but I have added some of the Mont Marte Acrylic Medium Gloss to it to give it a little glossiness to it. And let's go over the rest of my paints. I have the FolkArt 14 karat gold. I have FolkArt Color Shift Orange Flash. I have Liquitex Basics Primary Yellow. I have a combination of Amsterdam Pearl Green and Turquoise Green. I wanted to lighten up that turquoise just a little bit, so that's why I added that Pearl Green. And my last colors are a combination of Blick Green Oxide and Mars Black to make a little bit darker green. And I'll go over consistency while I'm showing you this paint. A little bit on the thinner side today. And my last paint is Blick Primary Blue, and I did add a little bit of black to that also. And this is the color that I have. Okay, I'm going to do a dirty pour cup, and I am expecting to get some, I'm getting my cup here. I am expecting to get some negative space today, which is fine. And I'm going to be laying some of this white paint down to help the paint move also. So let's get started with layering. And I do want to add some of this white also. And my pouring medium today is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. I did thin, and a squirt of GAC 800 in all my paints. I always add that. And I did thin it with a mixture of 90% water, 10% Floetrol. So that is what I'm going with today. Color shift color is beautiful. No silicone today. Not really looking for cells. I think I'll have a very full cup here. And I am going to just take my stick and run it through here. Just once. Okay, I'm going to start at this corner. Okay. And what I think I'm going to do is just take and try and inject a little bit of this white paint here and there. Maybe one more down here at the bottom. And then I will take the rest of my white paint and just lay it down to help the paint move. Maybe I'll do one more here. Okay. All right, and I think I will torch. I have a lot of air bubbles here. I'll just give it a little torch. Okay, now I'm going to start to tip. Before I do that, what I think I'm going to do is take my skewer and just... This one did not get under the paint very well, so I'm just going to help it out here a little bit. Okay, now I'll start to tip. Tip a little bit this way. Let's try and get over that corner and bring it back. And take a look here. And I'll tip down this way, just very little here. Just to get over that corner. And bring it back. I was hoping for negative space, but I think I have too much paint and I do need to run some of the paint off, but that's okay. And I will bring it back here. And I'm just going to take a look at it. Okay, I'm going to turn it here a little. And just tip a little bit down to this corner. And bring it back. No, I need to tip a little more there, I see. Okay, now I'll bring it back. Take another look. I'm just going to check my sides here too. In the corners. I think I'm going to tip a little bit more down into this corner. And bring it back. It's quite a big canvas, and I apologize if you're not seeing all of it in camera. Okay, we're gonna take another look here. And I will do another torch. Okay, I'm going to clean off the bottom here. And I think I'm pretty happy with the composition of this painting. I will get you down for a close-up. Again, this is a Dirty Cup Pour on an 18 by 18 gallery wrapped canvas. And here is the upper left-hand corner. Very bright up in there. You can see where I injected the white, the areas where I injected the white. This is the lower left-hand corner, another one of those white areas. And I will take you up the middle here. This is pretty in here. Very pretty right in here. I like that. Right there where the gold came through. And this dark blue here. And this is the upper right-hand corner. And it's really, really pretty in here. Those look like boulders. And down here, very pretty. This is the lower right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up or like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Make sure that you ring the bell and choose all so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody, and thank you for watching. Bye.